Hey, a quick note before we start. Year end is here, which means it's time for my annual donation request spiel. If this podcast has been valuable to you, please visit exploreifs.com/donate. Your support keeps this work going and helps me provide coaching and resources to people who couldn't access it otherwise. And can't donate? No problem. Leave a review instead to help others find this content. All right, let's get into this week's episode. Welcome back to IFS Meditations and Insights. I'm Tim Fortescue, your guide on this journey toward wholeness through the lens of internal family systems. Together, we're creating a sacred space to explore, accept, and love all parts of ourselves. As we do this work, we open ourselves to experiencing divine love and living more authentically. Let's begin. In this meditation, we're going to spend some time getting to know the parts that come up around rupture and repair. So find a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. As you settle, invite a sense of calm curiosity, a little bit of self-energy into this space. Today's meditation focuses on rupture and repair, those moments when connection breaks and how we gently return. We all experience rupture. Internally between our parts, or externally with someone we love. The invitation isn't to avoid rupture, but to notice it, hold it, and move toward healing. Bring to mind a recent moment of tension or disconnection. It could be something small, a sharp word, a withdrawal, a missed moment of care. Notice what arises when you call it. Which parts of you were active in that moment? Perhaps a protector stepped in to defend, or a younger part felt hurt or unseen. As you notice these parts, take a breath. Let them know you're here now. You don't have to fix or change them. Just offer your presence. Say internally, I see you. I know you were doing your best to help me in that moment. Notice how your body responds as you bring curiosity to each part. Now imagine extending compassion toward this part, or toward the person involved. What might repair look like here? It could be an apology, a softening, or simply acknowledging what happened. Breathe in compassion. Breathe out understanding. You might say, I want to reconnect. I'm sorry for the pain that moment caused. I'm here now. Notice how it feels to offer repair, internally or externally. There's no need to rush the process. Let any lingering parts know that they're welcome. That repair takes time. See if there's anything else. Send a round of gratitude to the parts of you that showed up today. And if it feels right for you, let them know that you can spend more time with them if they'd like that. Maybe let them know when. And as you return to the present moment, carry with you this truth. Rupture and repair are part of the same sacred dance of connection. You can always begin again. Then you can bring some life into the body. Open your eyes if they were closed, or lift your gaze. And continue about life. Thanks so much for your trust and for your courage in joining me for this meditation. And take care. That wraps up another episode of IFS Meditations and Insights. If you found value in today's session, please follow, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Your positive review helps more people discover this healing work. For more IFS meditations and resources, and to join the faithfully growing community, visit exploreifs.com. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.